Hello, sir. I'm a USRP equipment supplier from China. Let me introduce to you the product we plan to sell to you. As you can see, this device is the X310 equipped with two USB Docker board. Please look at the computer monitor. This is my computer monitor. I'm using the UHD tools, UHD USRP prop. I use these tools and run these tools with CMD. Uh, and you can see this is the motherboard X31 information. You can see revision is 11 and revision complete is 7. Product and the SN number. Please remember the SN number is 3243FB. And this is all the information. And you can see the IX doctor board A. ID is UBX 160V2. And this is our board SN number. This is all the information about the UBX doctor board. And this is doctor board 2. This is the board ID and the series number. Please remember the series number. You can search the series number. And next, we can get all the information. This is the 2 UBX doctor board. And please check the SN number, and once you receive the device, compare it with our SN number to ensure that the goods you receive are indeed this unit. Now please look at the single carrier 2 and 2 memo experiments. The boards transmit and receive functions are fully working. I use the NI lab view. I open the NI lab view. This is a multiple output single device multi-channel example, and the device name is real O because our interface with the PCIe cable and use a PCIe card. The PCIe card is in my computer size. Please check the monitor. We input the real link and the IQ rate is 1 megahertz and center frequency. And this is two signal. One signal is 027 and the other signal is 024. And we run this demo. When the demo is running, we can see the single signal. This signal will be to send from the device. Please check the light. The light is red. Is the right. Right is is transmit. And next we run the receive to receive, and we set the device name is real O, and we set all the parameter and run this code. This will need to waiting a minute. Waiting for working. They working needs some time. Okay, the device is working now. You can see the signal. This is the receive signal, and this is the spectrum. You can see single table, and you can see the two doctor board are working to the green light is running. The green light is running. 2 and 2 light is all running. You can see the light. Okay, we continue to the next test. The next test is to test this board bandwidth. This board is UBX, and the UBX support 160 MHz bandwidth function. We are running at IQ symbol rate set 200 MHz and set frequency 2004 gigahertz, and set the receive antenna is RX2. And now we running this spectrum device, this demo. You can see this is the spectrum from 2.3 and 2.5, about 2 megahertz. The bandwidth is okay, and this is the receive signal. We can see the device is running. We can see the light, the green light. The green light is running. So we can get 2 megahertz signal. We use PCIe capable card, and we recommend you set up the configuration the same way we did. You can also search for TKDF to find the detailed specifications of the device. Our equipment is very clean, very well maintained, and with very little dust on the PCB board. You can check the PCB board, no dust. It's very so clean. And this is the guide board. Top board is so clean. It's very new. So this is our device. We sincerely hope you can give us responsible suggestions regarding our testing. If you have some testing need we do, we can do it. Please send your file to me and testing your file or testing your demo. Please give me some responsible suggestions. Thank you very much.